Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your Instagram following and followers list. Alright, let's begin. By default, anyone can see your followers and who you are following on Instagram. There is only one way to hide this, by switching to a private account. First, open Instagram. Access your profile page from bottom right corner and tap the three lines at the top right corner of your profile. Scroll down to Account Type and Tools and check your account type. If you see the option to switch to a professional account, you're already on a personal account. Now, return to the main settings page and tap Privacy. On this page, turn on the private account option and confirm the change. Once your account is private, people who do not follow you will no longer be able to see your followers or following list. They will see the number of followers and following, but not the full list unless you approve their follow request. So that's basically how you can hide your Instagram following and followers list. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.